moderating? You are moderating?
Prvo mjesto u kategoriji velikih kompanija ove godine osvojile su dvije kompanije. Montenegro Stars Hotel Group i Crnogorski Telekom. Zamolit ću gospodina Rudigera Šulca, izvršnog direktora Crnogorskog Telekoma, da takođe izađe i primi nagradu. Čestitam.
Dobro večer i hvala puno. Ja učim crnogorski, but it's not enough for this evening, so I have to switch to English. I am very proud, on behalf of nearly 700 employees, colleagues, team members, today to stay here and to get this award. I'm really proud. You know, it's not a given fact that you are nominated on this place. It's hard work, it's steady work, every day, every week, every month, every year. You have to invest into your people. We do this, we have fantastic people in our company, very knowledgeable, very experienced. Of course, we have a lot of challenges also for the future, but we are happy to do this as a team and to work it out for the future, especially with such a positioning. It's an obligation, of course, to do even more. My thank goes also to Blue Coach, because it's the possibility to stay among such winners. An evening where only winners are, it's really a pleasure to join. So thanks for that. Hvala puno.
Gospodin Šulc će ostati da primi još jednu nagradu, specijalnu nagradu u kategoriji velikih kompanija. Dobila je Telekom za Fair Play. So, one more. Koja pruža jednake mogućnosti za sve. Prvo mjesto kao najatraktivnija kompanija zauzima Crnogorski Telekom. Zamolit ću ponovo gospodina Šulca da izađe i primi nagradu.
You know, this is the possibility. You have to win a lot of prizes to get a lot of possibilities to talk. But I want to use this opportunity because this prize is touching me the most, I have to say, because it's future driven, and as a person who belongs already to the club 50 plus, it's very important that especially our younger citizens of Montenegro, our younger colleagues, who looks in the future, are driving this country forward in the next years. And if this clientele is choosing Crnogorski Telekom as the number one, this is motivating the most. I want to say big thanks to all the students who selected us, and we are open. We need the young people to cover all the challenges which are ahead. So thanks a lot for this prize. Very important. I need 700 more.
I na kraju ime kompanije Blue Coach i svo lično ime čestitamo svima.
Bravo.